The Snyder family story is compelling. It's a tragedy, but it highlights an inconsistency in our law that dates back literally to the common law days before we had modern forensic science. To put it most simply, every week we read about a murderer gets exonerated by DNA evidence after 20 years in prison, whatever, and you don't hear anybody arguing, well, sorry, the statute of limitations on second-degree murder expired after 5 years, so you've got to stay because there was no new evidence. This is the converse of that. We say if forensics can prove that a person committed a homicide, but it is later than our current statute of limitations, there should be no prohibition in the law from charging that individual. This has nothing to do with convicting him, but you should be able to bring him to trial to prove whether or not the homicide was committed. Having a statute of limitations that, for instance, would let a vehicular homicide perpetrator at 5 years and 1 day walk free if he killed someone because you didn't identify him within a 5-year period is simply irrational. It makes no sense in this modern day and age, so we're going to try to change that law.